Okay, so in this video, I just want to go over what you should do every time you're going to be wanting to save your work to GitHub, which probably is every assignment that I give you. Um, so just follow these steps, and that'll get you started in terms of making sure that you don't have any problems with, um, you know, sort of accessing your work from GitHub. So first, you go to github.com and you sign in. And once you're signed in, you can, in the upper left where it says new, you can just type new and then you can type a name. So this is just new assignment, whatever it is. You may want to give it a descriptive name just so that, you can, in a folder, like if you put them all in the same folder, you can differentiate them easily, maybe by week or something like that. But I'm going to copy this right there, and where the HTTPS needs to be selected. I'm going to copy that, and once I copy that, I'm going to go to VS Code. So I'm going to open up VS Code, and once I have that open, now I want to open up the terminal. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to new terminal. Okay, good. So it opens up the terminal for me. I'm going to open up the margin as well. I want to go to the desktop, so I'm going to see if I can go to desktop. I can press tab, you get to the desktop. Here, desktop is selected. So now, if this is where I want my folder, then I'm going to do git clone here, right, in this desktop. But if you have like a course folder where you're keeping all your assignments, go into that folder to make this new repository. But I'm just going to do git clone, and then the repository that I just copied from GitHub, I do command V like that, and now it's cloning the new assignment. Okay, and it says you've cloned an empty repository. So if I want this to show up now, I'm going to say ls, and I'm going to be looking for that that thing that started with the new assignment. It's right here. So I'm just ls. I just did an ls, and I found out that's where it is. It's in my desktop, right? So I'm going to say, okay, well, I want to cd into that. So I'm going to say cd new assignment like that, and now I'm in new assignment. Okay, so now if I'm in new assignment, I want to say code, and I'm not sure if this works on uh, Windows as well, but if I want to open it up, a new VS Code for new assignment, here it is, it's new assignment. Now, with this open, this new window open, I can make my two files. So this, if you're in the CSS course, you would quickly just, you'd probably want to start by saying, from here, we're just going to touch HTML or new file HTML like that, and that makes a new file. Or you could make the file right here just by clicking on that and that, right? I'm going to make I'll make a folder, so CSS, and then within CSS, I'm going to make a new CSS file. So just say CSS.css like that. And so now I have my CSS file in my CSS folder. I also have my new file.html. So that's how I'm getting started. Now I've created this. So let's just say I want to commit this to GitHub. So I won't be able to see that, right? So I'm in new assignment right now. See this right here? I'm in new assignment. So I'm going to say I haven't really done anything, but I want to commit this, right? So I'm going to do the following: git add -a, git commit. Actually, if you want to see if it's been added, you can do git status, and it'll show, look what I just did. I just created those two. Okay, you don't have to do the git status. Git commit, and then a message, and I'm just going to say new files added, and then git push origin master like that. Then you notice it should do this sort of stuff, and then go back to there. So now I've just committed it, so I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to look for new assignment. Well, let me see if there's anything in new assignment. Yes, there is. New files added. That was a message, right? So I've saved it. So now every time I do something in this folder, in I'm sorry, in this folder, the new assignment folder that I want to keep, I got to do a git add, git commit, git push origin master, and that will save it to GitHub. And then again, at the end of my assignment, when I'm done, all I need to do is just go here and just say, okay, well, I'm going to submit this right there. And that is how you turn things in and save things to GitHub. Okay, so that's it. That's what I want everyone to be doing. And I know a few people were concerned about it, but I think maybe there may be even more people. Sorry, I wasn't more explicit before. But that's how we get started, and that's how we save to GitHub, and that's how we turn things in. Again, with these links are what I'm going to be looking for to each individual assignment. Okay.